answer and the operation will be subtracted.
Huh?
That is the final answer. Let us have an example. Number 1. X plus 2, x minus 2. So like what I said, you will just square the first term, and then always minus. Square the last term. So x squared minus 4 is the final answer. Yes?
Yes.
Another. Y plus J, Y minus, tatandaan palagi applicable lang siya sa plus and minus, tsaka mga parehas term. So, square the first term, minus palagi ang sagot.
Bakit?
Second,
Positive
plus
and
the
negative. Okay.
square the second term. So, y squared minus z squared is the final answer.
Hindi mo na lang, huwag ka na mag-solve.
Yun. Pwede ba yun, ma?
Ano man, makuhula ka. Ano, kita ka na naman eh.
Parehas lang.
Next.
Lagi lang naman ganyan yung sagot.
Oo nga, no. Ate. Ano yun? Ano na, bastos.
Ginawa ko.
Okay.
Mag-jacket na.
Let us have example number 3. Again, square the first term. 3m squared. Minus palagi. Yung ano yung second term? 4n squared.
Ay, sesra na.
Dito kayo madalas nagkakamali. Malamang ang sagot ng iba ganito. 3n to the 4th power. Tama ba?
Tama.
Mali. Bakit? Because we also have to square the numerical coefficient. Ibig sabihin kasi dyan, masarapan natin sa pakaingan. 3 squared n squared times 2. Sarap. Kahabaan ko na para makita nyo ang minus. 4 squared n squared. So kapag simplify natin, 3 squared is 9.
Aray.
N to the 4th power minus 4 squared is
16.
16 n squared. So this is the final answer.
What?
Alam ko, tignan.
Okay. Later.
Pinahaba ko lang just to let you know na sinibstitute natin yung exponent sa bawat constant and variable na nasa loob. Okay. Number
Alam ko na. YouTube. YouTube. Naka-iswal.
Student minus 4, 5. Okay, let's start with 1. Square the first term. 2x cubed is the first term. Tama? Parehas lang naman yun eh.
Tama.
Square.
Nasing ako?
Minus palagi sa doon. Minus. Ano yung second term? 4y squared. Ay, 4y cubed. Square din. What is the final answer?